Ladies and gentlemen, the all-new Audi Q6 e-tron with innovative technology, outstanding driving dynamics, and distinctive SUV design. This is the start of a whole new generation of all-electric Audi models. Our next big thing on our way towards a fully electric portfolio. The Q6 e-tron comes with impressive features, but the most impressive thing is the combination of all of these features in one car. Fermin just mentioned it, the Q6 e-tron is the first Audi to come with our completely new end-to-end electronics architecture, connecting every function, hardware and software in one neural network. The technical benefits for the customers are enormous. Personal infotainment and connectivity will reach a new level. Charging is super fast. The 800-volt system allows for 270 kilowatt high-power charging, and the team put a lot of effort into the best possible driving experience you can get, combining great driving dynamics with comfort and safety. With all these technologies, we bring Vorsprung durch Technik to our customers, and the Q6 e-tron at the starting point for the next era of Vorsprung. Coming back to the start of the evening, if you take one thing home tonight, hopefully it is this: we are ready. Audi is ready, the team is ready, ready to bring iconic cars to our customers, ready to bring Vorsprung durch Technik to the next level. It all starts now with this car. And now you are invited to experience the Q6 e-tron firsthand. Enjoy your evening, and thank you.